Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, November 11th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, the pound yen, I'm definitely still very, very bullish. I think there's a good chance it may go all the way up and make a double top here because this definitely looks like a possible pullback. Now, the fact that this most recent wave is three ways down gives me a little bit of a concern that maybe this is an A, B, C to the downtrend. So if we do get a break of structure on sort of time frames, then we definitely will start looking for shorts just in case. But as of right now, the daily is definitely telling us to look for longs. The weekly is definitely telling us to look for longs. And these higher time frames are definitely always your friend. Now, going down to the 1 hour time frame, I would say that the 1 to 2 hour time frame structure is right here. Price did try to break that structure, but the fact that it rejected it almost instantly tells me that it may just keep on going up. I am definitely still looking for longs. I don't see any reason not to look for longs yet, but the fact that it technically did break below structure means that if this move up does turn at maybe a Fibonacci retracement of this move down on sort of time frames, then you could try to sort it. And if it does go down and hold below this structure with momentum, then great, start looking for shorts. Otherwise, we are definitely looking for longs because all the higher time frames are telling us that we're in an uptrend and there's no reason to start looking for shorts yet. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.